My name is Aiman Niazova, and this year I've graduated from Astana Garden School. This year I got in Nazarbayev University, University of Tartu in Estonia, and Cyprus West University, but before that I was admitted to Astana Garden School with a full scholarship. The admission process was quite challenging, and it consisted of several steps. Firstly, we wrote an admission test that was similar to the real SAT tests, which surprised me as I felt like we started preparation for the admission to top universities from the beginning. Secondly, we had to write a motivational letter where we could explain why do we really need to study in this school. Then lastly, I had 2 interviews, and to the first one I was invited when I was not even in Kazakhstan. People ask me, what is unique about our school? And I can say that the first thing that stands out the most is community. All of my classmates are extremely ambitious people, and all of them were studying to achieve their goals and dreams. And I think that's what matters the most. We all came to this school to follow our own dreams, and the school helped us with it, as the motto of the school is Armandan bastardba, or follow your dream. In our constantly changing world, what matters the most is not only your knowledge, but how you can apply it, and also your skills. That's what AGS provides you with. As I've studied in different schools, I can say that the learning process here is different from the government schools. And on the lessons, we were assigned different projects, both group projects and individual ones, where we developed creativity and critical thinking. Also, we had a lot of presentations where we would provide the material we found and present it to the class. Most of the universities abroad require you to write a lot of essays, as they want to see your personality and not only your knowledge or your test skills. They want to see what kind of person you are. Are you a leader? Are you the one that will make this world a better place with the knowledge that you will gain from the university? By writing all of these essays, I have gained some skills of storytelling, as you have to make this essay appealing, very attractive to the admissions team, so they will like you, they will want you in their university, and sometimes the questions can be quite unexpected and challenging because you never thought of it before. Like one of my essays asked me, what was the last time you failed? And I was like, what? I'm a winner. I don't usually fail something, but you have to find something to write about. So it makes you think a lot about yourself, understand who are you in reality. And that's what I liked about this process. But the essays sometimes can be really short, so you have to make this story interesting enough to make the one who reads your essay being interested in your essay, right? You might ask me, why did I choose Nazarbayev University? And I will tell you why. There are several reasons. First of all, I think it's a great university, as there are a lot of different opportunities to study abroad, to have an international exchange, and to do various research. The professors are great, and the students are very passionate about learning, so I think that this community is very nice to study in, so I think you definitely should put this in your college list and apply there. Another reason why I chose this university is because I will have a practice in Astana Garden School while studying, as I always adored the work of teachers, and I think that my future will be connected to the education. I want to help it develop in Kazakhstan, and by studying Nazarbayev University, I think that I will build some connections with other leaders of education in Kazakhstan and work with them in the future. To everyone who's only starting their application process, who's only preparing to apply to universities, I wish you all the best and I wish you luck, as it matters, because sometimes the process of admissions goes unexpectedly, so we'll never know if you get in or not. But never give up, because I think everything will be as it should be.